Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it a cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, Thursday, November the 21st, 2023, the day after the Dutch national election. Yes, and who has won? Well, the Dutch Donald Trump. Yeah, we have already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number uh, 7500. 7500. Yeah, 7500. It's a milestone. Yes, we have 2.5K to go. Yeah, 2,500 puzzles to go. Then that's my final. That's my last puzzle. 10,000 puzzle, and yeah. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20, I believe. 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 20, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box, because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? See, only one dual box contains the 1 and 2. Let me mark those, 1 and 2. Do we have here triple boxes here? No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. I see here one quadra box. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes, let me check. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. About this shape then. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. Only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about the shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for the filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These three boxes can be 2, so the only place left for 2 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 1 in the square box, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 1. And this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And then 1. Okay. How about well, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those. 1 and 4. Then this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If we place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be also 5. Alright, this box can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Then these two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. Come on. Ay. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2, 4. Well, these two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. No. Well, these two boxes surround a 5 can be a 5, and this box can be a 5. So the only place left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here then. So I need a 2. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. The only place left for 2 in this W area shape should be here. So the 3 and the 4 are left. 3 and the 4. Now we have a double 4 here. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 4, because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. But also that box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 1 is left in this area for number 2. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, these are 3 boxes. So out of 4 can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Well, well, these two boxes can be a 4, but also those two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those two boxes. But also those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and the 4. Not a pair in this area. Should be numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright. Okay. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Well. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there because if I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box. So we have also 2, but we already have a 2 here in the same area. Not the solution to place the 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Then this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 here. This gonna be a 5. Need a 3 here also. Well. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Yeah, 3 and 5. I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. And it's connected with that box. So it can be 3 here. Only place level 3 should be there. So the 5 should be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. I marked those two boxes earlier with 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 4. Alright. Now. Well, this box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left on 3 in this area should be there. These two boxes surrounding 3 can be 3. So 1 box left on 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. Let me mark those. Here's a 4 and 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1. We have a 1 in the same area. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? Should be a 4. Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes out there. Well. 2 to 4. Okay, these two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes surrounding 5 can be a 5. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 4 and the 1. So the 4 goes here and the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5. Oh, no, we have more numbers here. Oh, I thought that maybe these two should be the last 2 numbers. No. Well, we have 1 box. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3 is connected with that box, should be so 3. Eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And the final 2 numbers for numbers 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. We solved it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the ladder Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4-star Sudokus. I have a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or playlists I have in my channel. Yes, just go to my channel and you can find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. We'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah, last working day, Friday. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.